Please visit our website www.aceso.in and press the icon Check Policy Value and Benefits, which you will find on the top right-hand corner of the homepage. Now, you will see a pop-up message with certain instructions. You will be asked to keep certain documents handy, which will help you to fill all information required by us. So please keep your original policy bond and your PAN card ready. Once you are ready with the documents, press the icon Proceed. Now, you will be asked to fill your PAN number. Thereafter, fill your name, middle name, and surname, and date of birth. All these should be filled as mentioned in the PAN card. Thereafter, fill your gender. Fill your email ID and mobile number. This information should be as per LIC records. Now, enter your policy number as mentioned on the policy bond. Thereafter, fill up the date of commencement of the policy, the mode of premium payment, that is, whether yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly, as the case may be. Select the policy plan by selecting from the drop-down menu. Thereafter, enter the term and the premium paying term of the policy. Please note that only eligible plans and terms will appear in the drop-down menu. Now enter the sum assured amount of the policy and the premium amount as mentioned on the policy bond. Next, enter the FUP date of the premium payment. The FUP means the date on which the next installment of your premium is due. Enter the branch which is mentioned as the servicing branch of your policy. You will find this also on the policy bond. Finally, you will be required to upload the scanned copy of the first page of your policy bond, showing all the details of the policy as filled up earlier. The file to be uploaded can be either in JPG, PNG or PDF file formats. If you have taken a loan on your LIC policy, please tick here, else you have finished entering all the details of your policy. Please click the icon Add to save the information of this policy filled here. If you have any additional policy in the same name, you may fill up the data for additional policies in the next row, which will be saved on clicking the Add icon. If you have multiple policies of the same policy holder, you can download this sample Excel file. Please fill up the required data of all your policies in the name of the same policy holder, as per the format in Excel. You may upload this Excel file by clicking the link, Upload Filled Excel Sheet. Finally, please press the icon, Generate Quotation, and proceed. After duly answering CAPTCHA message, you will receive an OTP on your mobile number provided by you. Please enter this 4-digit OTP. After verification, a pop-up message will appear, informing that the quotation shall soon be sent on the email ID provided by you. Thank you for watching this video.